Hello, welcome to Edubbey Dynamic Solution Platform. Let us look at NFT. NFT stands for non-fungible token, and it represents a type of digital asset that is unique and indivisible. Unlike cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are fungible and can be exchanged on a one-to-one basis, NFTs are distinct and cannot be exchanged on a like-for-like basis because each one has unique properties. Here are key characteristics and aspects of NFTs. Uniqueness: each NFT has a distinct and unique identifier, making it different from any other token. This uniqueness is often used to represent ownership or proof of authenticity for a specific digital or physical item. Indivisibility: NFTs cannot be divided into smaller units like cryptocurrencies. They exist as whole tokens, and when traded, the entire token is transferred. Blockchain technology: NFTs are typically created and managed on blockchain platforms, most commonly on Ethereum, using smart contracts. The blockchain ensures the transparency, security, and immutability of ownership records. Ownership and authenticity: NFTs provide a way to verify ownership and authenticity of digital assets. Artists, musicians, game developers, and other content creators use NFTs to tokenize and sell their digital creations. Use cases: digital art: NFTs are widely used to represent ownership of digital art. Artists can tokenize their work and buyers can own a unique, verifiable digital copy. Collectibles: NFTs are used in the creation and trading of digital collectibles, including virtual cards, characters, and items in online games. Virtual real estate: NFTs are employed to represent ownership of virtual spaces or assets within virtual worlds and metaverses. Smart contracts: the use of smart contracts enables various functionalities, such as automatic royalty payments to creators whenever their NFTs are resold on secondary markets. Marketplaces: NFTs are bought and sold on online marketplaces dedicated to digital assets. Examples include OpenSea, Rarible, and Mintable. Popularity and trends: the NFT space gained significant attention and experienced a boom in popularity, with high-profile sales of digital art, tweets, and other unique digital items. Challenges: the NFT space has faced challenges such as concerns about the environmental impact of blockchain networks, copyright issues, and the potential for fraud. Evolution: the NFT space is continually evolving, with ongoing exploration of new use cases, blockchain platforms, and technological advancements. NFTs have sparked a new era in the digital economy, allowing for novel ways of ownership, monetization, and expression in the digital realm. Their application extends beyond the art world, influencing various industries and sectors.